By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to identify common conflict triggers in educational settings and their effects on learning, outline the key characteristics that distinguish different types of classroom conflicts, assess the role of conflict resolution in enhancing positive educational experiences, review conflict resolution techniques and their application in various educational contexts. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores classroom conflict resolution strategies by examining their fundamental principles and key features, providing essential tools to foster a harmonious learning environment. It aims to clarify effective methods for maintaining positivity and productivity in the classroom, ensuring alignment with specific instructional goals. Furthermore, the lecture highlights the necessity of adapting these strategies to enhance the creation of engaging and flexible educational environments that mitigate conflicts and promote collaboration, understanding, and a sense of community among students. So, let's begin with this question. How can teachers proactively address classroom conflicts and promote a harmonious learning environment? Classroom conflict refers to the disagreements, tensions, or disputes that can arise among students, teachers, or other individuals within an educational setting. These conflicts may stem from differences in opinions, values, attitudes, or behaviors between students, or between students and teachers, which leads to disagreement or discord and can manifest in various forms, such as arguments, misunderstandings, or power struggles. While conflict is a natural part of human interaction, managing it effectively in the classroom is crucial for promoting a positive and productive learning environment. By addressing and resolving conflicts in a respectful and constructive manner, teachers can help students develop essential conflict resolution skills and foster a sense of community and understanding among all members of the classroom. Common sources of conflict in the classroom. In a classroom setting, a conflict can arise when there is a disagreement between students or between a student and a teacher. This can be caused by differences in opinions, values, or actions. Conflicts may also occur due to miscommunication, misunderstandings, or competition for resources such as attention or grades. Common sources of conflict in the classroom include 1. Miscommunication. This occurs when students or teachers fail to convey or interpret messages accurately, leading to misunderstandings about assignments, instructions, or classroom expectations. For example, a student may misinterpret a teacher's feedback, resulting in frustration and confusion regarding their performance. 2. Cultural differences. Conflicts can arise from the diverse cultural backgrounds of students, which may lead to misunderstandings or clashes in communication styles, values, and beliefs. For instance, a student from a culture that values direct communication might inadvertently offend a peer who comes from a background that emphasizes indirect communication. 3. Competition for resources. Limited access to classroom resources, such as materials, technology, or teacher attention, can create tension among students. In group projects, for example, some students may feel overshadowed or neglected if they perceive that others are monopolizing resources or receiving more guidance from the teacher. 4. Bullying and harassment. This includes repeated aggressive behavior directed at a student by their peers, which can manifest as physical violence, verbal insults, or social exclusion. Bullying creates a toxic classroom environment that not only affects the victim's emotional well-being but also disrupts the learning experience for all students. 5. Differing value systems. Students often come from various backgrounds with distinct values regarding education and behavior. When these values conflict with school policies or teacher expectations, such as differing views on discipline or collaboration, it can lead to resistance and defiance from students who feel their beliefs are not being respected. 6. Emotional factors. Stressors related to academic pressures, personal issues, or mental health challenges can significantly impact student behavior and interactions. For instance, A student dealing with anxiety may react defensively in group settings or struggle to communicate effectively with peers and teachers, leading to misunderstandings and conflicts. Types of classroom conflicts. Classroom conflicts can arise in various forms, presenting challenges for both teachers and students alike. Classroom conflicts can be categorized into several types, each stemming from different interactions and dynamics. 1. Student versus student conflicts. These disputes arise between peers and can involve issues such as bullying, competition, or disagreements over group work. For example, a student may feel intimidated or excluded by a classmate who dominates group discussions, leading to tension and resentment. 2. Student versus teacher conflicts. This type occurs when students challenge authority or disagree with a teacher's rules, feedback, or teaching methods, often leading to tension in the classroom. A student may feel that a teacher is unfair in their grading or disciplinary practices, prompting them to argue or disengage from the learning process. 3. Group conflicts. These involved disagreements within a group of students working together, typically stemming from differing opinions, work ethics, or leadership styles. In a group project, for instance, some members may feel that others are not pulling their weight or that their ideas are being dismissed, leading to frustration and conflict within the group. 4. Intrapersonal conflicts. These are internal struggles that students face, such as stress or anxiety about performance, which can affect their interactions with others. A student dealing with test anxiety may become withdrawn or irritable, leading to conflicts with peers or teachers who do not understand their emotional state. 5. Intergroup conflicts. This type involves disputes between different groups of students, often based on social cliques or competition for resources and recognition. For example, conflicts may arise between sports teams or academic clubs vying for funding or recognition from the school administration, leading to a divisive atmosphere in the classroom. 6. Academic conflicts. Academic conflicts occur when students disagree on aspects related to their studies, such as group projects, assignments, or assessments. For instance, disagreements over grading criteria or perceptions of fairness in academic performance can lead to disputes, as some students may feel that they have been graded unfairly compared to their classmates. These conflicts can hinder collaboration and negatively impact the overall learning experience. 7. Behavioral conflicts. Behavioral conflicts arise when students exhibit disruptive or disrespectful behavior towards one another or towards the teacher. This can include actions such as talking back, using inappropriate language, or engaging in bullying behaviors. For example, if one student repeatedly interrupts another during class discussions or makes derogatory comments, it can create a hostile environment that disrupts the learning process for everyone involved. 8. Authority conflicts. Authority conflicts may arise when students challenge the authority of the teacher or question established rules and regulations within the classroom. This type of conflict can manifest as open defiance, disrespectful behavior, or questioning the teacher's decisions in front of peers. For instance, a student might refuse to follow instructions or argue about a disciplinary action taken by the teacher. Such conflicts can undermine the teacher's authority and disrupt the learning environment. 9. Cultural conflicts. Differences in cultural backgrounds, values, and beliefs among students can lead to misunderstandings and tensions in the classroom. For example, students from diverse cultures may have varying communication styles, some may be more direct while others may prefer indirect communication. This can lead to misinterpretations of intent or meaning during interactions. Cultural differences in attitudes toward education, authority, and collaboration can create friction among students who may not understand each other's perspectives. Understanding these conflict types helps teachers develop effective strategies for resolution and fostering a positive learning environment, as each type requires a tailored approach to address the underlying issues and promote constructive dialogue. Conflict resolution strategies. Classroom conflict resolution strategies are essential tools for maintaining a positive and productive learning environment. Teachers play a pivotal role in fostering a safe space for students to express their feelings and opinions, while also guiding them towards constructive resolutions. Teachers can effectively manage academic conflicts using several strategies that promote understanding, communication, and collaboration among students and mitigate disagreements and challenges both in the classroom and beyond. Here are some key methods. 1. Set clear expectations. Establishing clear guidelines and expectations for group work, assignments, and classroom behavior is crucial. By outlining specific goals, roles, and deadlines, teachers can minimize misunderstandings that may lead to conflict. Consistently reinforcing these expectations helps create a structured environment where students know what is required of them. 2. Encourage open communication. Foster an atmosphere where students feel comfortable expressing their concerns and perspectives. Implementing regular check-ins or discussions allows students to voice their opinions and clarify misunderstandings before they escalate into conflicts. Teaching students to use I statements can also facilitate respectful communication and avoid blaming or accusing others. 3. Promote collaborative problem solving. Engaging students in collaborative problem-solving activities helps them learn to work together effectively despite differences. This approach not only addresses immediate conflicts but also teaches valuable skills in negotiation and compromise that are essential for future interactions. 4. Implement role-playing exercises. Role-playing can be an effective way for students to understand different perspectives in a conflict. By acting out scenarios, students can explore the feelings and motivations of others involved in the dispute, fostering empathy and enhancing their ability to resolve conflicts amicably. 5. Provide support and resources. Teachers should be aware of individual student needs and provide appropriate support when conflicts arise. This may involve referring students to counseling services or offering additional academic help to those struggling with course material. Understanding the underlying issues contributing to conflicts can lead to more effective resolutions. By employing these strategies, teachers can create a positive classroom environment that not only resolves academic conflicts but also equips students with essential life skills for future interactions. The importance of conflict resolution. The importance of classroom conflict resolution plays a critical role in fostering a positive and productive learning environment. Effectively addressing conflicts helps to create an atmosphere of respect, trust, and collaboration among students, which is essential for their emotional and social development. Prioritizing conflict resolution in the classroom is paramount for creating a conducive learning environment and fostering students' personal development. 1. Promotes respect and trust. Effective conflict resolution establishes a classroom atmosphere where students feel safe to express their thoughts and emotions, leading to mutual respect and trust among peers. 2. Enhances learning engagement. When conflicts are addressed promptly and constructively, students are more likely to engage actively in their learning, as they feel their voices are heard and valued, which enhances overall classroom participation. 3. Builds essential life skills. Navigating conflicts teaches students critical skills such as problem solving, effective communication, and empathy, which are essential for their future personal and professional relationships. 4. Encourages collaboration. Conflict resolution fosters a collaborative learning environment where students learn to appreciate diverse perspectives, enhancing their ability to work together effectively on group projects. 5. reduces disruptions. By effectively managing conflicts, teachers can minimize disruptions that hinder the learning process, allowing for a more focused and productive classroom experience. 6. Supports emotional well-being. Addressing conflicts helps students develop emotional regulation skills, reducing stress and anxiety associated with unresolved disputes, ultimately contributing to their overall well-being. Prioritizing conflict resolution in the classroom not only mitigates immediate issues but also equips students with the tools necessary for navigating challenges throughout their lives. Conclusion. Classroom conflict resolution is an essential component of effective teaching and learning. It directly influences the social and emotional development of students. Conflicts are inevitable in any classroom environment where diverse individuals interact, but how they are managed can significantly impact the classroom atmosphere. By implementing proactive strategies, such as setting clear expectations and fostering open communication, teachers can create a supportive environment that minimizes disruptions and encourages collaboration. Moreover, teaching students conflict resolution skills equips them with vital life competencies, such as empathy, problem-solving, and effective communication, which are crucial for their future interactions both in and out of school. Prioritizing conflict resolution would enhance the overall learning experience and promote a culture of respect and understanding, preparing students to manage challenges with resilience and maturity.